Welcome to the Moomoo platform tutorial, a comprehensive guide to help you navigate and utilize the platform's features. The Moomoo platform is a trading and investment tool that offers a wide range of financial products and services. To get started, first download and install the Moomoo app from the App Store or visit the website. Once installed, create an account by providing the required information and verifying your identity. This is a standard process to ensure the security and legitimacy of your account. After creating your account, you will be taken to the dashboard where you can view your portfolio, market data, and other relevant information. The dashboard is customizable, allowing you to personalize your view and prioritize the information that matters most to you. To start trading, navigate to the Trade section of the platform. Here you can browse through the various financial products available, including stocks, options, and ETFs. Use the search function to find specific products or browse through the categories to discover new investment opportunities. When you find a product you are interested in, click on it to view its details. This will take you to a page with in-depth information about the product, including its price, performance, and other relevant metrics. Use this information to make informed decisions about your investments. To place a trade, click on the Buy or Sell button and enter the quantity and price you are willing to trade at. The platform will then execute your trade and update your portfolio accordingly. You can also set stop loss and take profit orders to manage your risk and maximize your returns. In addition to trading, the Moomoo platform also offers a range of tools and resources to help you improve your investment skills. These include real-time market data, news and analysis, and educational materials. Use these resources to stay up to date with market trends and make informed investment decisions. Finally, to ensure the security of your account, make sure to enable two-factor authentication and keep your login credentials confidential. Regularly review your account activity and report any suspicious behavior to the platform's support team. By following these steps and using the Moomoo platform's features, you can take control of your investments and achieve your financial goals. Remember to always trade responsibly and within your means, and seek professional advice if you are unsure about any aspect of the platform or its features.